Savannah. I am Ava. And we just got the Savannah Ava.
Whoa.
What? I'm just kidding. Did you see the stars go around? That was so cool.
Yep.
Isn't that cool? It was just like our logo. Like, yes, Savannah Ava. And I'll be Savannah A. Okay, let's do this quick. And also, we got a comment. Video post. Alright, just why are you blocking my face? Okay. We got alright, a person did a contest, did the crazy talents from YouTube, and then he sent it to us.
Oh my God, my leg!
It's on YouTube, it's in our channel. He sent it to our email, and then we put it on YouTube.
As our username though.
Yeah, but we did,
it was really him.
We're sorry, but we had to put it on our username. So here it is right now. He is bouncing his ball.
Right, so this is my video response to Savannah Ava. This is my crazy talent. It involves one pumpkin ball and a video camera. Here you go. I can bounce a ball.
We're back. Yeah, we hope you liked that video. We do. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like him bouncing the ball.
The bouncy ball.
Bye. Wait, no, we're not leaving yet. Also, please just send in videos to our email just like how Aaron did.
Yep.
He commented, but he uses his username for YouTube. You rock, Aaron.
You're the first person who did it.
Yeah. And we are really excited to see your sisters.
I feel less lonely.
Max!
Oh,
Show Max! Show Max! Show Max! Oh, look at him! Oh, I love you. Savannah, you're putting your hand on his face. Oh, he was yawning. Don't open it!
No, I'm gonna see what he does.
Alright. Well, that's all the time we had for today.
So cute.
And and when we were showing you the video, I hope you liked the circle.
Oh yeah.
The circle just went to his face. And now we'll say goodbye. We're gonna
Say
end this.
well.
So hang on. Bye. I like how you just pause and then do another one. I think that's really cool. All right, bye.